To see how to convert a beautiful video. You can see this.
Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time.
We have to generate a beautiful image, which is not it should be free. It should not be copyright of someone. So I will tell the free resources and the paid resources also. And then after that, we have to generate the text. So two options are there. Either you note down in a software, like you write a text, it will generate an audio, or second is you can upload your own voice. And third is the tool from where we will download convert the video. Like this process called talking photos or talking pictures. So here we go. So first is the mission is to get a picture, beautiful picture, which I have already created. So let's go to the Lexica. So Lexica.ai. Okay. Let me zoom out. Okay. So here, this is free of cost, and I'm not sure. Maybe after 1 month, this will be paid. So not sure about it. So get a beautiful cartoon or portrait, whatever you want to speak. So जिसको भी आप बुलवाना चाहते हो, so you can get from here. So suppose if you want to get that video only, so you can use this cute boy. Okay, so it is for prompt only. Like if suppose you want this, if you're liking suppose this one, okay, so you will get the prompt, and we want to take prompt, then we will generate our own. So let's see, we will take the prompt from here, copy, just simple it is. Okay, there's nothing required. Then go above, and if you can see, generate option is there. Click on generate, then paste it here. It says describe your image, just paste here, Ctrl+V. Then if you want some god picture or some cartoon picture, so I will add this Sri Krishna, or anyone like you person you want. So here I will take the god name, Sri Krishna. God. Let's see, dress also I will add, and I will put negative prompt. You don't need now because you're a beginner. Just generate and wait for your response from the website. And it is free of cost, again I will say, and if it is getting paid, so you can check the description. Yeah, so see, you can see the image is converted, that boy is converted into some, let's see, gold chains he's wearing, and this is the picture. Okay, and if you want to generate some more variation in there, so you have to click on outprint. So from this picture, 4 picture will be going to occur. So if you click on outprint, तो इससे रिलेटेड 4 पिक्चर्स अलग से बन जाएगी. अगर यही पसंद आ रही तो यू कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम हियर, ऑप्शन इज देयर टू डाउनलोड एंड फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. अगेन इट्स ऑल अबाउट देन सपोज मुझे कोई वाली पसंद आ रही है, ठीक है, तो इसको मैंने डाउनलोड यहाँ से कर दिया, डाउनलोडेड, एंड आई विल जस्ट प्रेस एंटर. डाउनलोड हो गई है ऊपर जाकर, ठीक है. अभी इससे ही काम चलाना है. अब पार्ट 1 खत्म हो गया. लेट्स मूव टू द सेकंड पार्ट, व्हिच इज अबाउट गेटिंग अ टेक्स्ट, ब्यूटीफुल कोड. अगर अपन को कहीं से जो भी है तो कोड सर्च करते हैं अपन. सो लेट्स गो टू सम वेबसाइट, कोड वेबसाइट. बट हाँ, अभी जो फ्री टूल है उस पर कुछ लिमिटेशन है, मे बी अराउंड 20 वर्ड्स ऑफ ऐसा कोड मिल जाता है. वैसे देखते हैं. अब मैं कोड पे गया, कोई भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. बहुत सारी ब्रेन कोड करके वेबसाइट आती है, ये देखो ब्रेनी कोड, ये काफ़ी फेमस है, तो इसमें कोई इशू तो नहीं है. लेट्स सी, वेरीफाई किया और या इट इज़ ओपन नाउ. सो कैसा कोड चाहिए थोड़ा सा इसमें देख सकते हो. डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर ऊपर मोटिवेशनल पे क्लिक करते हैं. सो ये कोड्स आ चुके हैं यहाँ पे. तो जो 20 वर्ड से कम का लग रहा है उसको आप सिलेक्ट करना है. तो सोचो यहाँ पे ये optimism is the path that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. Okay, it sounds positive. और let's see. Okay, ये अभी अच्छा है. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed in always just to try once. Okay, this seems Thomas Alva edition, so let's copy this one if it is possible. If okay, let me open this. Now we can copy, I guess. Yeah, copy. Okay, now second part is completed. First is getting the picture, second is getting the text, means code. Now you have to open a website where you can convert a simple picture into talking picture. So the website currently the free website which is giving 5 minutes trial, and 20 video you can at least make if you want, and I will tell you at the end how to get more number of videos. There's one little trick which you can use. It is okay, but at the end I will share it. So website name is studio D hyphen something like that. Okay, D. I will just give the link also, and here we go. So this is the first one you have to open. This is the only website which is available and creating this thing, and every YouTuber, whatever video you see on Instagram having some billions of views, they are using the same website, and it is already paid, but 20 credits they are giving us for free. But I will tell you how to get ultimate like n number of credits you can get for free. So now click on generate video, simple. Then now you have to see why we have collected our photo. Just to like any photo you can add. You can add your own photos. See the sample which is already there. You can use their samples. But what we want our own image, so which we have created in first step. So I will paste download. Then yeah, here is the one which I created in the first part. It's loading. It will take little time. Till then what we have done, we have paste copy some text, right? Some motivational. तो उसको copy करते हैं यहाँ पे. So ये बोलता है 20 words limit exceeded. So let it be, okay. Points ज़्यादा लग जाएंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. अब this is the voice option. Images loaded. अब यहाँ से voice generate कर सकते हैं. ये जेनी की आवाज में है, तो she look like girl, so we will go with Jenny's voice, and if I will tell her to speak, so you can listen. I will just open 1 second. Maybe voice will be lacking, but I will try. Okay.
Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more.
Okay, so this voice seems something very like some elder person, but I have one website which will create a cute voice. Okay, this I have discovered. So there are two options. Either you can use their own voice, or because it is a kid, so we need some cute voice or some. Okay, this was the one, and okay, here we go. So we didn't take their voice because their voice was not good. We will upload, which we have done. So click on audio from here. Upload your own voice, which you have downloaded from internet, and this is the one. Select, and it is getting loaded. Okay, everything is good now. Let's generate our video, and let's generate. Let's see. It will take maybe some 30 seconds or 1 minute. Let's wait. Okay, it is generated. Let's see the result, and yeah, here we go.
Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time.
Okay, so you can download it from here, and you